Hi, it's Ray Mills, your VBA craftsman. And today I'm going to demonstrate my to-do manager. So let's begin. And it's a free tool that I offer on my website www.excelandvbacraftsman.com. Okay, so let's start. To invoke it, I have it simply set to hit the Control and Q keys, and here it is, boom. And we have we're showing any tasks that were added this day. So I haven't added any task. Well, let me just start by demoing how to add a task. So we need to add a new to-do. So when's it due? Let's say it's due, I'm going to work over it the next 2 days. It's probably due on the 10th. It's medium important. And it's in, let's close this first. And it's in progress. Okay, my to-do is going to be create a video for the to-do manager. Okay, simple enough. And that you can put an elaborate description here and all kinds of reference material, whatever you need to. That's what this is for, to help keep all your facts and data, reference data, all together. So now we want to add this task, right? And you'll see that this task was added. Simple enough, right? Now I want to add a subtask, and I'll make these very brief just for the sake of expediency. So add subtask. Let's say, I don't know. Let's say it's due on the 10th as well. We set the 10th, and let's say, close this first. Let's say the status is in progress. Create video. Okay, add subtask. Now let's add, there it is. Let's add another subtask. Same thing, let's make it doable on the 10th. Status, close, status, in progress. And let's say publish video. Okay, add a subtask. And let's just add one more, add a subtask. Again, due on the 10th. Close this, status is in progress. And let's say publish video, add a website page for the to-do manager. Okay, so we'll add the subtask. All right. Now we could go back and we could edit those subtasks, delete them, change them, whatever we want, but that's always available to us. Okay. So right now, so let's say save to update, even this not the save. Okay. So you see our subtask, that's the one we entered today. However, I do have some other projects currently running. So if I click here, I should see my not started. Oh, let's bring this up so you can see it better. So I have a whole bunch of stuff going on, and this keeps track of all that. And if I looked, I can go back and say, when did I start stuff? Well, I can go back and say, I know what, back as early as the 15th of December, I thought. Nope, I guess not. Oh, let's do completed as well. Oh, there we go. So the 22nd, we did add one, and it was completed. Right? Let's just see. Yep, it was completed by then. And 22nd, let's go to the 30th just to see. Okay, that was December. So the jobs were building up. But you see, the point of this is to manage your tasks. And the point further is that you can keep all the reference data, all the stuff that you need to get something done. You know, someone you need to call, whatever. You can jot it all down into the, go here and just jot it all down here, and you have all that information available to you. Okay? So it is a very, very useful tool, and it's all at your fingertips when you're in Excel. And why that's nice is that most people do a lot of their work in Excel. They're comfortable with it, and it's just a lot of fun to work with and real easy. So let's just close this and go back here, and let's get all our stuff out there that we have out there. Okay, I'll bring it up again so you don't want to cut it off. And let's just say we want to create a report to say what's going on. Well, this report will create anything that we have, and there we go, boom. It's created a report, and it lists the subtask below. Some don't have subtasks. You know, you don't need to. You can manage it all at the task level, but you can see all the information's here. You got it on the spreadsheet. So it's real easy, and a great little tool, real easy to use. Happy to hear your suggestions about how I can improve it. And again, you can get it at excelandvbacraftsman.com, and it's Ray's free to-do manager. And happy to take your suggestions, like I said, to make me improve this this tool. Thanks a lot.